Meet the HS800 portable power station, your reliable source of power on the go. With an 835 Wh capacity, dual directional inversion, built-in flashlight, and a rated AC output power of 1000 watts, is suitable for powering small appliances, tools, and electronics. Its compact design and durable handle make it easy to carry on camping trips, outdoor experience, and more. The dual directional inversion allows for simultaneous charging and the powering of devices. Stay connected and productive wherever you are with the HS800 portable power station. Don't get caught without power again. Get yours today.